I will tackle about Philippine culture and national identity. Philippines is an archipelago of 7,641 islands and is ranged from the south of China to the north, the tip of Borneo and of the Philippines. And the form of government in the Philippines is the Republican Presidential Democratic State, and the capital of the Philippines is Manila. And for our Philippine symbol is the example of the Philippine flag and the national flower, which is the Sampaguita, and our national anthem, which is the title of Lupang Hinirang. And the second that I will tackle is the international boundary, which is the Philippines lies in the West Philippine Ocean and bounded by the west. So W is stands for the South China Sea on the west, and E stands for the Philippine Sea on the east, and SW stands for the Celebes Sea on the southwest. And also Philippines is divided into the three major island groups, which is the Luzon, the Visayas, and the Mindanao. Next that I will tackle is the tangible cultural heritage of the Philippines, which is tangible heritage are the most inherent object that we acquire from the past. UNESCO states several tangible cultural heritage that can be considered. First is the movable culture heritage, which is the example of the paintings, sculpture, coins, and manuscripts. And the second is the immovable cultural heritage, and the example of this is the monument and archaeological site and so on. And the last is underwater cultural heritage, which the example is underwater routes and sites. And second, the part of the World Heritage of the Philippines, which is the part of Parroquio churches of the Philippines. And second, the historic of the city of Vigan. And last is the rice terraces of the Philippine Cordilleras. This site is also by the National Commission for Culture and Arts, or known as Natural Heritage Sites of the Philippines, which is the natural heritage refers to the sum total of the elements of biodiversity. The example of this or part of the natural heritage sites of the Philippines is first the Mount of Hamigutan Range Wildlife Sanctuary, and the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, and the last is Tubatahari Natural Park.